This is not just dessert. This is Haitian heritage in a baking dish. Get ready, because this traditional Haitian pain de riz is so rich, so fragrant, so perfectly bouncy that your kitchen will smell like pure nostalgia before it even hits the oven. Start by soaking your rice in water for 3 full days. Yes, 3 days. That slow soak builds flavor, depth, and that unmistakable aroma. After 3 days, drain the rice. Rinse it. Short on time? Huh. Rice flour works too, we won't tell. Blend the rice with water until smooth. Strain it, then blend it again. This is how you get that silky, creamy, melt-in-your-mouth texture. No grains. No shortcuts. Just perfection. Now use that same rice water to blend your bananas. This step? Its sweetness. Its body. It's that soft, custardy texture that makes pain de riz unforgettable. Your kitchen should already smell amazing. Pour everything into a large bowl, then add ½ tablespoon of salt, 2 cans evaporated milk. Add sugar to taste. Trust your tongue. Taste it. Does it make you smile? Adjust it until it does. Cinnamon powder. Nutmeg. 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon coconut extract. Mix it well. Add in the butter and mix again. This is where it gets rich, smooth, and luxurious. In a hot pot, add 2 tablespoons oil. Once hot, pour in the mixture. Now stir, and keep stirring. Watch it thicken. Smell that warmth filling the room. That's Haitian comfort. Butter your baking dish generously. Pour in the mixture. Spread it evenly. Butter the top for that beautiful golden color. Cover with foil. Now gently toss that baby in the oven and bake for 45 minutes. Then uncover it. Bake it for 15 more minutes. Look at this beauty. Golden. Perfectly set. Let it cool before cutting. Have you ever tasted Haitian rice pudding? If not, you're missing out. Now press it. Look how bouncy it is. Soft, creamy, smooth. This is real Haitian rice pudding. Be honest, you wish you could taste that through the screen, don't you? Like if this made your mouth water. Share with someone who loves Haitian food. Save this for later. Subscribe for more authentic Haitian recipes. Warm or cold? How are you eating yours?